Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, welcome to our practical Hakka lesson on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And you know what? I think we need to exercise more. 所以今天呢，我们要教大家跟运动有关系的一些词句，好了，好不好？
好啊。
平常有运动吗？这个 Hakka 怎么说呢？
平常。
平常。
有运动吗？
有运动吗？OK， 所以平常是平常的意思 ，regularly， 然后运动嘛就是 exercise， 运动 ，OK，and then 说有啊，你有在爬山啊，或者是偶尔可能还会去游泳，这样怎么讲？
有啊，
有啊 ，yes。
我从头去山，
我从头去山。
上次去游水，
上次去游水，上次去是什么意思呢？
偶尔去。
Okay, so 上次去 is sometimes. Yes, I go hiking a lot, but sometimes I also go swimming. Okay, 我们再讲一次。
我从头去山，
我从头去山。
上次去游水，
上次去游水。But during the weekends, I like to go biking. Okay, 假日呢，我会去骑脚踏车。
我了日会去吃行茶。
Nailing 就是 weekend 嘛 ，OK， 就是假日。会去
吃行茶，自行车。
OK，
脚踏车。
That means riding the bicycle. 那万一我不喜欢运动呢 ？What if I don't exercise regularly?
我不好运动。
我不好运动。
但是海陆腔的运动要讲运动。
Okay. Again, for a different dialect, the Hailu dialect for exercising is 运动。
Yeah.
好像吃润饼了。Hopefully that's not you because exercise is good for anyone. Let's go ahead and review those phrases. 你平常有运动吗？ Do you exercise regularly?
平常有运动吗？
平常有运动吗？ And then you say, yes, I do. You are. Okay, that means yes. And perhaps you go hiking a lot.
有啊，我從頭去山。
You are. 我從頭去山. Okay, that means I go hiking a lot. And then maybe sometimes I go swimming.
上次去游水。
上次去游水. Or on the weekends, I like go biking.
我了日會去吃行茶。
我了日會去吃行茶. And finally, hopefully it's not you, I don't like to exercise at all.
我不好運動。
我不好運動. And then in Hailu, it's
我不好運動。
我不好運動.
Yeah!
Okay, and that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼太嘎？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.